HD10 series. The HD10 is an environmentally sealed thermoplastic cylindrical connector series that is heavily used for diagnostic applications. The receptacles are offered with inline, square flange, and panel nut mounting. Arrangements are available with 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9 cavities, and utilize size 4, 12, and 16 contacts. HD10 insertion. Begin with a crimped wire. For assistance, refer to the Deutsch Context video segment for detailed instructions. Refer to your wiring diagram to know which wire to insert into each cavity. All cavities are marked with numbers or letters depending on the design. Grasp the crimped contact approximately 1 inch behind the contact barrel. Hold the connector with the rear grommet facing you. Push the contact straight into the rear grommet until you hear and feel a click. A slight tug will confirm that the contact is properly locked into place. Repeat this process until all of the cavities are filled. Repeat the same process for the receptacle and the plug halves of the connectors. Make sure to insert the contacts into the rear grommet. Please note that if you have open cavities, they will need to be filled with appropriately sized sealing plugs. HD10 mating. All HD10 series connectors are designed to be mated and unmated by hand. No tools are needed. When mating an HD10 series connector, grasp the plug connector by the locking ring and line up the mating receptacle. Lines are available on both connector halves as a visual aid to assist in alignment. Turn the coupling ring on the plug until the plug and receptacle pull together and you hear and feel a click. HD10 unmating. To unmate HD10 series connectors, grasp the coupling ring on the plug and twist 1/4 turn until it unmates from the receptacle. HD10 contact removal. Hold the connector so the rear grommet is facing you. Using the correct size plastic removal tool, snap the tool over the wire so it will slide down the wire. Slide the tool along the wire into the cavity until it engages the contact and resistance is felt. Make sure you keep the tool straight and do not twist or angle the removal tool. Pull the contact and wire assembly out of the connector. If the contact does not release on the first attempt, pull the tool back out, turn it 1/4 turn, and reinsert it. Do not twist the tool with it in the cavity.